In this video, you will learn how to create a text in an image using OpenCV. Let's import CV2, import NumPy as NP, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, percentage matplotlib inline. In our previous tutorial, we have seen how to create shapes like rectangle, circle, line in our image. But in this video, we will see how we can create a text in an image. So first, we are going to create an image using NumPy. Let's make one variable image underscore new. Then I will call np.zeros. Inside this, I will pass the shape, and shape is going to be 1024 is going to be the height, 1024 width, and color channels are going to be 3. And then we will provide data type. So we will write here d type, and it is going to be int 16. Now let us execute our code. Let us plot our image. So I will write here plt.imshow and then image underscore new. Now here in the output, you can see that we got a black color blank image. The image is black in color because all the arrays in the image are 0. And if I show you, I will write here image underscore new. And here in the output, you can see that all the arrays are 0. Now to write a text in this image, first we need to define the font style. So I'm going to make one variable font. Then from CV2, I will call the method font. So there are different font type here. So let us choose one, and we have to write this in caps lock font underscore. So if I show you, so these are the different types of font here, you can see. And for this tutorial, let's say we will use which one font, say simplex. So we will use the last one. I will select it here. Now I'm going to execute the code. So in this font, we have this font here. So it is showing at 0 number here. So it has no meaning. We just have to select the font and save in this variable font. And let me delete this one. Now I'm going to use the method put text to put text in that image. So I will call here cv2 and then put text. Inside this, we have to pass our image, which is image underscore new. The second variable is going to be text. What text we want to display in this image. So let's say I'm going to write here YouTube video, and the third parameter is going to be org, and this is nothing but the you can say that the position of the font where we want to place it in the image. So for now I'm going to write here 20 and 800. So what will happen here if I go back to our image? So the font will start from here. So here we have this 20 here, and this font will go up to this 800 here. Now we need to pass other parameters as well. I'll put a comma here, and then the next parameter is going to be font face. So we have this font face parameter, and here we are going to pass this font here. So I will pass here font, and then font scale, and let's give it as 4. This is going to be the thickness of the font, and then color. So I'm going to pass 255 red, 255 green, 255 blue, and then thickness. This is same as what we have seen in our previous tutorial for different shapes. It is going to be 10 or let's say 5 here. This is for text here. So this is nothing but the pixel, and then line type. this is going to be cv2 dot. So there are different line types here, so I will show you line underscore AAA. We will select this one because most of the people select this one only. And then now we are going to display this. First, let me execute our code. So the operation will take place on this original image underscore new. Therefore, we are not assigning it to a new variable. And now let us display our image. So I'll write here plt dot imshow and then image underscore new. Now here in the output you can see we got a font here in this image, and this is YouTube video, and this is starting from 20 and this has actually extended 800. Or you can see that we got the font here, and you can also change its name. So let's say if I YouTube video, I will write here, let's say I will write here tutorial, this tutorial. And then if I execute this code again, then it will actually come on that YouTube tutorial image. Yeah, so what I have to do is I will have to run this code from start so that our image will be blank. So I will just execute all of these cells one by one. So now here you can see, so we got tutorial here in this font here, or the text is tutorial. Now it has been changed, and you can play around with these numbers. So you can change the position, you can also change the font scale, you can change the font color, you can change its thickness, you can even change the line type, and you can also select a different font. So this is how you can write a text in an image using the put text from cv2. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.